Hi YouTube! Well, today I'm at Braddock's Bay, which is just west of Rochester, New York. I'm at the Raptor Day, and we're going to take a look inside. They've got some a little talk on some of the Raptors, and this area is known for it's a major migratory area. It's sort of foggy today, so I'm not sure what we're going to see as far as hawks and stuff outside, but you never know. So to give you an idea of where we are, so there's a series of ponds with a sort of almost like a barrier along the edge, that when the lake is high sometimes that does get flooded, but we're way up there in the top where it's actually that barrier is not there. And Braddock's Bay, we're with the brown area on the side. You zoom in so maybe you get a better idea. It's a combination of low or shallow water and marsh, and the is jointly owned by the town of Greece and the New York State Conservation Department, and it's about 3,000 acres, I believe. And this is really cool spot for migratory birds, songbirds, and the
So still getting used to it. But here it is, our classic example of a raptor here, red-tailed hawk. As you can see, they get their name from that beautiful rusty reddish brown tail that the adults have. And it takes these birds about 2 years before they get a red tail. So many times you'll see something similar sitting out there, very white-chested with a dark line of feathers across the belly, perhaps the belly band. But they don't have a red tail yet. They have a brown tail with lots of lines in it, bandy tails. So it takes a little while to get their mature plumage. Now our red-tailed hawk, as I mentioned, has some vision issues. So he's blind in his left eye. Rodents are on their diet, squirrels, other birds, snakes possibly. They have a very varied diet too, which is helpful for the species survival. Open space for hunting, tall trees, or structures for nesting. They consider what we call an edge species, so they like where the fields come up to a open area, and they'll be very calm bird. This is a broad-winged hawk. So broad wings mean they're long and wide, and they're built for soaring. They are our most common migrant. So we literally see tens of thousands of broad-winged hawks here in the spring of Braddock Bay every year. I think we're about 15,000 so far for the season. We've got a lot more to go. We've got the whole month of May for migration to take place. So the broad-winged hawk here is doing a little bit of bowing right now. He's also, like I said, the strength these birds have instincts. He's kind of taking a liking to me. So we've got a really special relationship. And he's been doing this bowing thing. But get a look at the broad stripes on the tail as it comes around. That's a good field mark to look for adult broad-winged hawks. So she's got one thing that's shorter than the other. That's because she had suffered an injury, so then they had decided the wing was so badly broken, they decided to remove it. Further issues with it. So I heard of someone guessing, what were you thinking it was going to be? You think you were right? Almost. You're almost right. Okay, this is in the same group of birds as the American kestrel. There are falcons. So we have three main falcons that we see here. We have the peregrine. How many have heard of the peregrine falcon? Okay, they're known for their speed. That's the biggest one. This is the merlin. This is the merlin. They're kind of in the middle. And merlins, next to each other. So even with a species like a red tail, you'll tell them apart by size often. Here we are, our great horned owl. Called horned owl because of the feather tufts on top of their head. They're there to, well, they help them blend in with the tree branches. She can change her posture if she wants to, whether she feels the need to hide more or to be more, or to express her. They are very good at camouflage. So when you see her stand on the roof, you'll get a little bit better idea of her height there.
One thing you may want to consider is what hawks eat. They're at the top of the food chain, and they, even the little merlin will take out something as big as a starling, which is almost as big as itself. Then the pesticides that from people spraying on the lawns, or the weed killers, they all get into the systems of mice and snakes and what have you, birds that you see, even robins out eating worms. And that all accumulates in their bodies, and then the raptors eat them, accumulates in them. They said that a great horned owl in captivity could live 30 years, but out in the wild, 15 to 20, and the leading cause of death for them is a buildup of pesticides. Something to keep in mind for those people it's spring, start thinking about spraying for dandelions, which, by the way, are very good to eat. So, just something to keep in mind. So here at Braddock's Bay, they have a walk out over the marsh, sort of reminiscent of the ones in the Everglades, but definitely not as warm. And then turn around behind me, and they've got this station here. It's a hawk watch station, so that during the migrations, people can come here and watch for the hawks, get you up above the brush along the edge. I think that's going to end my day here at Braddock's Bay, and it's not warm enough for us to really get any kind of thermals where the hawks will be playing and form a kettle. Unfortunately, spring's a little late coming this year. I'm not sure if we're going to be going over to Owl Woods. It's pretty muddy out here. It's been raining for many days, and to go see the banding if they actually caught a hawk or some sort of raptor. So anyway, I am going to get on the road and see what I can find. Hope it gets warmer soon. All right, see you later, YouTube. Bye. There, got him sticking his tongue out, smiling, acting goofy.